The prison planet theory. Were humans brought to Earth from elsewhere? One of the most controversial and speculative conspiracy theories suggests that humanity, or at least our distant ancestors, including Australopithecines, Cro-Magnons, and other hominids, did not evolve naturally on Earth. Instead, this theory posits that humans were either transported here from another planet or genetically engineered by extraterrestrial beings. This concept is commonly known as the prison planet theory. A variation of this theory argues that humans are the result of genetic experimentation by alien species, who combine their own DNA with that of Earth's primates, creating a hybrid species that would eventually dominate the planet. While mainstream science overwhelmingly dismisses this idea as pure science fiction, there are numerous oddities about human biology, behavior, and evolution that lead some theorists to question whether we are truly native to Earth. Unlike other animals that appear perfectly adapted to their environment, humans exhibit a range of physiological and psychological traits that seem out of place, almost as if we were struggling to exist in a world that wasn't originally meant for us. The core premise of the prison planet theory. At its foundation, the prison planet theory suggests that humans were brought to Earth against their will. The Earth, according to this hypothesis, was chosen as a sort of cosmic penal colony, a place where undesirable members of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization were exiled. This theory could explain several puzzling aspects of human behavior, including aggression and violence. Humans are significantly more warlike and destructive than most other species, despite possessing higher intelligence. This could be because we descend from a violent or criminal element of an alien race. A fascination with the cosmos. Unlike other animals, humans have an innate curiosity about the stars and space. Could this be an ancestral memory of our true home? A sense of alienation. Many people struggle with existential crises and feel a deep sense of not belonging, as if something fundamental about their existence on Earth is misplaced. Signs that humans are not native to Earth. 1. Chronic illness and poor adaptation to the environment. Most humans suffer from some form of chronic illness, whether minor allergies, autoimmune diseases, or more severe health conditions. Even the healthiest individuals experience frequent discomforts such as headaches, colds, or fatigue. In contrast, wild animals rarely suffer from persistent sickness unless they are injured or at the end of their lifespan. Another peculiar aspect of human physiology is our sensitivity to sunlight. Many animals can remain exposed to the sun for prolonged periods without harm, whereas humans quickly suffer from sunburn, dehydration, and even life-threatening conditions like heat stroke or skin cancer. Moreover, while animals instinctively regulate their exposure to the sun, humans often struggle with seasonal affective disorder, SAD, and vitamin D deficiency. Additionally, our inability to perceive the Earth's magnetic field sets us apart from migratory birds, fish, and other animals that navigate the planet with an innate sense of direction. Some researchers believe this suggests that our ancestors evolved on a planet where such a sense was unnecessary. 2. Back pain and skeletal issues. Back pain is a universal human affliction, affecting people of all ages. No other animal, even those with upright posture, suffers from such widespread spinal problems. This could indicate that human bodies originally evolved under lower gravity conditions, where the stress on the spine and joints was significantly reduced. Dr. Ellis, a researcher and author who explores the idea that humans are not from Earth, argues that back pain is one of the clearest signs that our physiology is not suited to this planet's gravitational pull. 3. The 25-hour body clock. Human circadian rhythms are naturally aligned to a 25-hour cycle, rather than the Earth's 24-hour day. Studies on individuals placed in isolated environments without external time cues have shown that their sleep-wake cycles naturally extend to about 25 hours. This anomaly raises an intriguing question. If humans evolved on Earth, why wouldn't our bodies perfectly synchronize with its rotation? Some theorists speculate that our home planet might have had a longer rotational period, and even after thousands of generations on Earth, our internal clocks still haven't fully adjusted. 4. Complications in childbirth. In the animal kingdom, birth is generally a natural and straightforward process, but for humans, it is fraught with risks. Historically, maternal mortality was alarmingly high, and even today, despite modern medicine, childbirth remains a dangerous process. One possible explanation is that human babies have disproportionately large heads compared to their mother's birth canals. This discrepancy could indicate that our species originally developed on a planet where gravity was lower, allowing for larger cranial growth before birth. Alternatively, it could suggest that our physiology was not originally intended for the environmental pressures of Earth. Interestingly, some researchers, including Ellis, have proposed that human infants should have a gestation period of closer to 2 years, similar to large mammals like elephants. Instead, human babies are born in a highly underdeveloped state, requiring constant care and protection for years before reaching self-sufficiency. 5. Mysterious extra DNA. A controversial study published in Nature suggested that human DNA contains 223 genes that are not found in any other species on Earth. While some scientists argue that these genes could have been transferred via horizontal gene transfer from bacteria, others speculate that they might be remnants of an extraterrestrial genetic intervention. Similarly, large portions of human DNA are often labeled as junk DNA, with no apparent function. Could these genetic sequences be remnants of an ancient alien heritage? Fragments of a blueprint from a lost civilization? 6. Psychological and emotional distress. Unlike other animals, humans exhibit high levels of psychological distress, including anxiety, depression, and existential dread. While some of this can be attributed to modern societal pressures, these mental health struggles are not exclusive to contemporary times. Historical records show that people have always grappled with deep feelings of unease. This raises a profound question. Why do so many humans feel disconnected from their environment, their fellow humans, or even their own existence? Could it be that something in Earth's atmosphere, electromagnetic field, or overall conditions is subtly incompatible with our biological and psychological needs? Even more strangely, humans are the only species known to commit suicide on a large scale. No other animal deliberately takes its own life due to emotional suffering, which suggests that something about human existence is fundamentally at odds with its surroundings. Is the prison planet theory true? While the prison planet theory is undeniably speculative and controversial, it does present some interesting anomalies that mainstream science has yet to fully explain. Could it be that humans are truly aliens to Earth, exiled here for reasons long forgotten? Or are we simply a highly adaptable species that evolved in response to the planet's unique challenges? For now, these questions remain unanswered. However, as we continue exploring genetics, anthropology, and the mysteries of the cosmos, perhaps one day we will uncover the truth about our origins. Whether we are the descendants of cosmic exiles, the product of alien intervention, or simply an unusual evolutionary anomaly, the question remains, are we really home? Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below with your thoughts. I love hearing from you. Check out more videos on the screen, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.